Arbitration.agreements.org. Have you ever found yourself embroiled in a dispute where neither side seems to budge, no matter how many facts, arguments, or concessions are thrown into the mix? Welcome. Today, we are diving deep into the concept of value conflict, a cornerstone in the field of alternative dispute resolution. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. Now, we all have certain core values, principles that define who we are, and guide our decisions and reactions. They're deeply ingrained within us and influence our perspectives. When two parties have fundamentally different values and find themselves in opposition, that's when a value conflict arises. But what sets value conflict apart from other types of conflicts? Imagine a dispute over a factual matter, like the height of Mount Everest. We can resolve it with a quick Google search. Or a conflict about resources, like splitting an inheritance. An objective mediator can help arrive at a fair distribution. But a value conflict, that's a whole different ballgame. You see, a value conflict is not about facts or resources. It's about clashing worldviews, moral standards, or deeply held beliefs. Think about it. Environmentalists versus oil companies, pro-choice versus pro-life advocates, or disputes involving cultural or religious differences. These are classic examples of value conflicts. Why are they so challenging? Research indicates that our values are significantly more resistant to change than our beliefs and attitudes. In fact, according to a recent study, less than 1% of people change their fundamental life values after the age of 25. So, when you're dealing with a value conflict, remember, it's unlikely to convince the other party to completely change their values to match yours. It's like trying to move a mountain with a teaspoon, an overwhelming, nearly impossible task. What's more, according to a 2020 study by the Journal of Experimental Social Psychology, when people's values are threatened, they may even double down and become more entrenched in their views. This is known as the backfire effect, making these types of conflicts especially hard to resolve. So how can we navigate these complex situations? Instead of attempting to change values, it's important to focus on empathy, understanding, and respect. Look for overlaps and shared values, create safe spaces for dialogue, and explore possibilities for coexistence rather than total alignment. Remember, when it comes to value conflict, the goal is rarely to win or lose, but rather to gain deeper understanding, build bridges, and ultimately to coexist peacefully amidst our differences. Do you need more information about the basics of value conflicts and how to resolve them? If so, head on over to arbitration.agreements.org. That's where you can buy the dispute resolution service or program you need right away and begin the process quicker. Also, what do you think about the concept of a value conflict? Do you have any tips for resolving a dispute involving people's opposing values? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.